Hey, what's up, traders? This is update for the USD franc. So I'm expecting it to drop. Now I will explain why. So basically, we have seen the price nicely moving in this long-term channel, which I will show you right now. So let me a little bit zoom this COT data to make it smaller, and let's go to this view where we can see this channel, right? So let me make it like this so you can see it nicely. So here is actually you can understand how I draw the channel. You know, some people draw the channels just like this, but what I always do, I'm always trying to include the whole spectrum, right. So mostly there you can see the at least one correction before it makes these two highs, right? Because if you draw a channel like this, you know, then something like that comes and that doesn't work well, right? So we have the channel which is defined by this bottom, these two tops. Then we can, after having this, we can predict this bottom, right? So this short was possible to predict, but to be honest, I'm not able to hold in the position so long. So anyway, but after that, we can of course predict some potential another top, right? So we can see the price have moved up, and now it's on here. So what I'm expecting in here is the pullback, and now we will check why. Okay, so the channel is very important, but it's not the only thing which is important for me. Yes, we can see the channel, we can see the touch, but then it's important to know what's happening with the positions, because the COT positions will tells me what's actually really happening while the price is touching some important technical level, right? So yes, we have the touch of the channel. I'm saying that maybe the third time, sorry for that. So what's happening in here, we can see basically that the longs positions has been growing. The longs positions on the USD franc has been growing, right? And we can see the shorts has been reduced. But look at this is very, very important. Yes, the positions has been growing, but they grew until the 18K longs, which is 5 years extreme. Since then, we can see 2 weeks reported that the longs has been closed. So what that means, after this move, after this move up, we can see 2 weeks profit taking. So let me bring my indicator base, uh, and we can see this last 2 weeks, which is this period for which we had the report, this last 2 weeks. So this is the 1 week, and this is the second week. So what happened in here is basically the drop in the longs positions and slight growth in the shorts, where which there was any. So if there wasn't any shorts, that means there wasn't any Frank's positions, right? So what this looks like, the profit taking as well. We need to look at this exposure has reached 89%, which is again 5 years extreme, right? It basically cannot grow even more. That's not possible to be 100% on the one side, right? That's what I've been testing in the on the COT history. And here we can see the net positions, 15K, 5 years extreme, right? So that's clear profit taking. So what I'm expecting right now, I will be entering the short, and but where would be best for me to enter the short? That would be if the price retrace back to here, and then I will be looking for this drop, right? So let me clear all the things in here, and what would be the best short for me? It would be, as if I should predict that, it would be something like if the price retrace back down here, and sorry, not long, I want short. So that would be looking something like this. And I would put stop loss above here. Of course, that's perfect to enter like this with small stop loss, but I always like to put the stop loss above one high and second high, right? Above this two highs, and something like 20-30 pips above that. So something like this, and the target to the 79 percentage correction, right? So that would be the trade. And how I will trade it is, definitely I will add some position in here. If it goes higher, I will add some more. And then if the bearish strong candle, what I mean with the bearish strong candle, it's something like this, right? So it's not the candle which is small like this one, but it has to be some strong bearish, right? This or it can be called like an engulfing candle. What would be the engulfing candle? Engulfing candle will be the one which basically covers. So if we have the candles coming up like this, and then there could be some consolidation. It can take days. This is the daily time frame. It's not gonna be in one day. And then the engulfing candle will be the one which will be bigger than the body of the previous one, right? So it will basically engulf it. So that's what I'm looking for. As well, if we check the volume, we can see here on the top we have the volume on the top. So what that means, that's selling, and we can see it on the numbers as well. So definitely bearish, just to take a good entry in here. That's what's going on. So yeah, and of course I can be wrong. So do your own analysis, and good luck. Bye bye.